Welcome back to Beaumont's Home Kitchen. Today we're making a sun-dried tomato pesto, boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Do it in the Ninja Foodi. I'm gonna pressure cook the boneless thighs here first. Okay, get them in the little Ninja Foodi here. Yeah, we're gonna do a sun-dried tomato, drumsticks and thighs. Crisp them all up in an air fryer part. So this part is the pressure cook. Sun-dried tomato pesto. Any crispy chicken in the air fryer? I have a lemon here cut in half, so I'm just taking all the juice here and all that good stuff out of there, minus the seeds. Like a few of my dishes, we take the lemon and just toss it right in there. More lemon. Some pickle juice in here, in with the chicken. Good flavor and a bit of acid, and it helps the chicken get tender and juicy. Touch that water. Oh yeah, we need some seasoning. So onion powder, fresh cracked pepper, some garlic, crushed garlic, crunch, toss that in there. I can smell the pickle juice. Little bit of rosemary, sage, and thyme all over the chicken. A touch of Montreal steak spice. Pressure cook in the Ninja Foodi, and we're gonna pressure cook this for 13 minutes. Air fry for another about 10 minutes, and then it should be good. Because we want juicy chicken, not dry chicken. Pressure cook on high, of course. Come back and we'll put some nice little sun-dried tomato pesto in there, and do the rest of the, show you the rest of the part. We're just doing the chicken, and feel free to serve it with a whole bunch of other sides. Check out my shorts that have tons of veggie sides that go really good with the chicken. Yeah, so what I just did is I just put a whole bunch of sun-dried tomato, lovely stuff on there. Now we're just gonna toss them on the grill here. Tossing the little chicken on the grill, right? Like so. And the smaller pieces we'll put on the bottom because they need sort of less heat. And put them on a little grill. Normally you can save some of the sauce from the pressure cook there. There's some sauce in there. You can save that, but I'm not going to. So I'm just gonna take it out. We're just gonna air fry this up. Toss it into the air fryer. Yeah, we're just gonna air fry it for 12 minutes, 360. Come back in 12 minutes and enjoy chicken. Sun-dried tomato chicken. Oh, there's our nice thighs. Looking good. So we're gonna give them a try. Sun-dried tomato, boneless, skinless thighs a try. Very good. Sun-dried tomato chicken thighs in the air fryer. Yummy. Turned out good. Thanks for watching Beaumont's Kitchen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Love ya. See you soon.